where uranium-238, the most abundant isotope in natural uranium, is converted into a completely new fissionable element known as plutonium-239.
What happens is that we honor the memory of those who are no longer with us by using what we have learned to save others, to exercise faith, patience, charity.
Bitch, I'm walking in, been 50 G's in my pocket. Walking in a circle of hoes, bitch, I've been known on the top. My shooter gon' bust it to Melon, I put some G's in his pocket. Fuck on that lecture and shit, come my shooter go straight to your noggin. Get in the box, rock out with the Drake while I'm rocking. I started doing it, but I was on it, yeah, bitch, I took off like a rocket. I spent 200 on watches, I got the sauce so they watch it. I got 2 plus to get both full of beans, yeah, bitch, you know how I'm rocking.
Yeah, run reel 10 again. I think we're duplicating the shot here. And tell Jimmy I want 10 chocolate chip cookies.